Welcome to my channel Excel Make Life Easy. Today we are going to learn the very simple formulas in Excel: sum, percentage, grade by using the if formula. So let's begin the Excel. So here we have one mark sheet or grade sheet of class, and we have to calculate the sum, percentage and grade in this class. So there are the students, they got the marks. So now we are starting to sum. So in Excel, all the formulas start with the equal sign. So we have to put an equal sign, and we have to use this formula. It's called sum. Press the tab. It's bring As you press the tab, it brings the parenthesis. So we have to select the range of the marks. So we have the first student, Steffi, and she got the marks in math, science, English, geography, and social sciences are in this range. And after selecting the range, we can close the parenthesis and hit the enter. This is the one way to get the sum of the students. We can calculate the sum by two or three ways. I will show you the another way. Just simply select the range and go to here and press auto sum. It will automatically give you the sum of the range what we selected. Second thing, what we can do, we can select all the range, and where we want to sum, we can select that range also and simply hit on the auto sum. It will automatically give you all the answers. Another way to select is hit here, again use the equal sign, use sum, hit the tab, select the range, again close the parenthesis, hit the enter, and on this tail, if we do a double click or drag, either drag or double click, both are same, it gives the answer. It's really easy. So now we go on a percentage. So for the percentage, we again use the equal sign. Our first range is sum, and we use the divided by 500 because there are the 5 subjects and each subject carries the 100 marks. So divided by 500, multiply by 100 and hit the enter. And now we got the percentage. So again we drag from top to bottom and we got the percentage. And now we need to calculate the grade. Grade, we before grade we have to know some signs to use the if formula. This sign is called less than, another sign is called greater than, and third sign which we are going to use is equals. So by the combination of these three signs, we are going to calculate the grade of the class. Now here I will delete this sign. Now I will come here in the grade section and we start with the equals if formula. Press the tab button. So here you can see the syntax is logical test, value if true, value if false. So what we want, how we want the grade. So here we select the percentage as our logical test and greater than equals to 75. What it will give as an output. So we use the quotation marks always. Answer what we want is always as a text value goes between the quotation marks. So here we say to the Excel, please mention it as a plus and close the quotation, comma. So it's called loop inside a loop. So in the if formula, we can use multiple ifs. So again, if, and the logical test is always same because we are referring a same cell, a same range. On the basis of the same range, we are going to calculate all the 10 results here. So our range is I4 greater than and equals to and equals to 70. What we want from the use the quotation marks, we say Excel will say A to those students they receive this marks, comma. Again, if hit the tab button and we use the our range I4 the same greater than and equals to 60. If they are between 60 to 70, we want to say they are the use a quotation mark and it says B. Again, comma. So the next step, but what about the students they are between 50 to 60, what we want the output, what is their grade? So again we are using if, comma, parenthesis, our range I4 greater than 50 greater than and equals to 50, comma, quotation marks, we will say the x it they will denote as a grade C, quotation mark close, comma. But next, what about the students below the 50? We want some grade for them too. So again, if hit the tab button, our range is I4 greater than and equals to 40, we will say they are denoted as a grade D and that's it, comma, no comma. So if we want to more the grade lower than 40 or a D, we can say otherwise we will say whoever received less than 40 or a 36 they are fail. We will say comma if lower than our range, sorry wait, our range is I4, our range for lower than 40, lower than or equals to 40, please mention them as fail. So we have to remember we have closed all the parentheses properly and each parenthesis have their own color. So here we use how many ifs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we use if formulas here. So we have to close 6 times. And on the screen you can see each parenthesis is closed on properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. And we hit the enter. You see, first step we got the A plus grade. We will drag down until bottom and we have the result here. So this result should be dynamic because all the formulas are interconnected. If we change any value, the result should change automatically. So for example, here this Borlak have a B grade and in the English we have 90 already, but in the science he seems very poor. So if we change here from 36 to suppose 88, its grade should be changed. I will say yes and look, wow, what a Excel change automatically from B to A plus. And if we check for the Alex have a grade C and it seems also poor. And suppose he did exam again and he got a good marks, and we say he got like 69 marks, and see, is the table is dynamic. Oh, he's still in the C grade. No, let's see, in the maths he improved it good or not. Yes, he improved it. So you can see, if we change any value, the result or grade will change automatically in the Excel. So I hope you understand the if formula, and it's really easy. Just need the practice and nothing more. So if you like, you understand the if formula and how to calculate the grade in the Excel, please give the one thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. And I hope I will bring a more new videos in the Excel for you soon. Thank you. Thanks very much.